Dumelang sanibonani. Hello my beautiful people. I am Obuhle Manda. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Speak and Frostan Diskit Podcast. As always, I am not alone, and you know, guys, we bringing you guys gasified content. Same vision, same mission, different location. Likewise.
Awe bafethu imumecha the unknown ongangazi usazongazi. So shukumeka nakhamba nje yami na ubukele lapha ekhaya. As you can see, hlezi kuyimnobuhle, but behind the cams we have Ujori no Kamu. So yeah, today bafethu sise Extension 6 eKatlehong at the famous D ground. Yeah, I thinking right. So yeah, silethele content entswembo bafethu uyazi kasi flavor idiski ushuni leyden. So yeah, but ithinga ngibrief mo uyangithola okuningi ngizokubona after content always.
We have one of the greatest football fans, Liambona Liruna Moswaperi Skiba Sakosi. That's gonna explain ukuthi le skipa usigcoke nje or uyayazi lento ayigcokile. My brother, please tell the people ukuthi ubani wakwabani.
Mina ngamphahlela, mina ngamphahlela iskipa vele ngigqoka ngoba ngiyathanda pheka, ngihlala ngigcokile vele Khosi for life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igama lakho. Igama lakho.
Papi ngphahlela.
Okay, Papi Mpahlela. So please tell us what is the main reason besides okay, we all know that we're here to watch football, but like what is the main reason you came here?
No, I came here to support all the people then abantwana ufuna babaphuma emadragsini bahamba bazodlala ibhola then everything will be right.
Okay, so looking at this tournament as a whole, do you like really think it impacts positively njengoba usho wena ukuthi it gets abantwana out of ilokhunjana ama drugs? So when I'm looking at it like ikhona leyo minus like leyo percentage ehlayo when it comes to people or abantwana or youth ebhema ama drugs.
Abantwana ngifuna ukuthi baphume emadrasi bazobukela ibhola kube mnandi namanje mangabukela i-tournament le kunama celebrity amaningi bahlele somewhere then they can't show them but bahleli yabona babukela ibhola la ePambridge yabo. Yeah bakhona ama celebrity bakhona abantu yabona yebo.
Okay, so what do you think about tournament lena as a whole? Like what is your view when it comes to this tournament?
Yeah, tournament lena ufuna ibe mnandi kumnandi lana bonke abantu ufuna bajabule babe right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Oh no, thank you so much my brother for your time, and we hope you enjoy and you also like have a positive impact when it comes to this tournament.
Yeah, I'm gonna be happy, enjoy like you.
Okay, thank you. Yabong.
Yeah,
bye.
Kabuyelo, haya, kabuyelo, haya, kabuyelo, haya, kabuyelo, haya, kabuyelo, masandawana. Bafethu, as you can see, ngiphethe time la. The best fan ya disc eMzansi. Time, can you please introduce yourself ngegama nangesibongo usho ukuthi ubuya kuphi?
Sekibutsa abantu location ngeke namuhulu Charles Nchabeleng ke rata Tiskakasi. I'm super fan ya Mamelodi Sundowns Kabuyelo Rabatapeta Rabatresnisha.
So time as a football fan ngicela ungitshele ngeexperience yakho yokutravel around ama soccer ground waseKasi bese ungitshela ukuthi yini i-difference between iKasi football and professional football.
Kasi football ingcono ribona lishibo bolitsamaya players engata di tswa mo Kasi football. That's why Kasi football tlamle re support always, and PSL professional itla o tsamaisa nna ke tswa Cairo, Egypt, Japan, Dubai mahala ka bolo fela. That's why ke tsama all over ke tswere I love Sundowns Kabuyelo Masandawana.
So time as a football fan yini into ongathanda ukuyichange ngebhola especially ku pro side, anything ongayichange like evelite engayenza change
ne ku professional le Kasi football aditswane professional idlala professional like ile ku for example like Skarangobese nadlala polo high na khono change all the game ayetse ibe high I tshwara Skarangobese so Skarangobese lena utswa Kasi nadlala Kasi football butsamaya bushibobo with dribbling aitsa whatever.
So currently ku professional PSL ubani i-best youngster currently?
Best youngster is Mshishi. Chambers one Mshishi.
But imdala umshishi timer at least like he's funny youngster like aborile abomduwe zonke lento ezincane the upcoming generation i-best youngster.
Oh Mufuke bala Mufuke. Yeah, Mufuke.
So ufila kanjani ngedeparture ka Ribeiro from Mamelodi Sundowns?
Ay relemetsa hulu ka Ribeiro ki star. Hey, number 1 you ki star Ribeiro. O ila bona Ribeiro anka batho from back ayale bona yo kor Ribeiro ki star mara ke sore number 10 no ke msainile le yena wa tla no o nkgopotsa bo Rocha Futumba ka pass.
Are you happy nge current coach Mamelodi Sundowns?
Ay polo ke polo, win or lose polo swane bopilo. So scar tomorrow we ja cabbage or nama tlamile we am hele o lose or win tlamile support the team how. Now Mamelodi Sundowns I no problem ka coach it over right. I mean kona no it's for my yona iba right.
Okay, one thing I know ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns izoyibona le video le. So iliphi player ongathandi Mamelodi Sundowns ilsign?
Let's one guy
PSL.
Let's one PSL. Nna ke batla Mofokeng fela.
Mofokeng? Yeah. Mara ufuna ukumoshi Pirates. Mara uyayimoshi Pirates.
Akimoshi. If you want to tell nna ke amsigna na Mofokeng.
Nimdlalisa lapha nimosha ibhola.
Akire le mabana tlaja ke ice mara silong a khola akire ke chelete.
Mara thina sifuna ibhola sinandaba nemali because the future semzansi.
Mara Mofokeng ke star utlodlala honna uSundowns.
Ubeka bani ebenchini?
Eshayo nkame ya bench uSundowns. I mean player ngweleng each player balwela position this scheme. I mean job is a job. Sebenze ke msebenzi.
So currently kubafana squad since December bayodlala iAfcon. Eliphi iplayer ongathanda ukuthi libe khona esquadini and eliphi iplayer ongalikhipha?
Ay baba ngata di player watsibo. Baba ngata kaufela bona baba ngata di player tse tlamile go Sundowns di squading. I mean PSL wa bona le bo Makezi kaufela di team di improve no. The players South Africa is too much now. Nka se bue no gore ke mang le ma under 17 ilona ye etsa best job wa bona le wena.
Okay, so the timer please bench one and start and sell one between Umbogazi, Ukhoza and Makathi lentwana ye Chiefs.
Makathi yo Chiefs ya Makathi.
Yamthengisa or ya start?
Ngiyamthengisa la ngiyamthengisa.
Let's bench abantu. Between Ukhoza and TLP.
Hayi bench Ukhoza hayi. Hlala kancane lama ice kancane ya.
That is TLP.
Yeah.
Okay, timer anywhere of the day for our viewers wethu.
No ama viewers ngithi chance supporting iball. Whatever favor Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns i-team yakho mayithanda wayithanda. Whatever ya better ya winner melo stike kuyo supporting local football and PSL chance. Ngiyalebuka majimbos support Paula Sekazi because Paula Sekazi re bona the best players, the young best players, di tsamaya di shibobo a renkazi ma ro supporta guys.
Kabuelo.
Bare aene pula pula ya mi pi aene pula pula ya kabuyelo ngiyabonga
Nalebuka time ne. Sharp.
ayate
Ngifethele ntona yami futhi I hope lapho uyayikhumbula. Le ntona yangitshela manga last time ithi dlala iball tshintsha ama position. Understand? Ngicela utshela abantu ukuthi ubani igama lakho for abantu abayibukelanga ivideo last time.
Kamala Mulebuhangi Nyakane, Hlele phase 2.
So ntona ngikubona njengentwana ethanda i-disc. Uyancanya i-disc ne? So udlala yiphi position if usalidlala iball?
U10.
I-10 iyiphi position? Last ungitshela manga uyakhumbula? And namhla utshintsha position udlala yiphi i-10 iyiphi position?
U10 no2. Dlala u10 no2 phela.
I2 iba right or kwa left?
Ka left.
Ikwa left i2. Wena udlala ibhola namhlanje. Just uyalithanda ne? Mafevela yiphi team le tournament?
ngifavor iMambas iphumile iMambas ish
ma favor ini
ngifavor next ngifavor Fistel Vultures
ini
Fistel Vultures
ma ikhona na kule tournament
ya ikhona izodlala manje
ma kuba medlala nale team oyifavor musazochubeka kuyifavor ubani favorite player yakho la kule tournament since ecalile
uJaiva yoyo
yana kuphela
no Popo uhambile manje ukupirates uphumelelile umjita
wayengadlala ibhola ngoba uyalithanda ungitshela manje ukuthi uyadlala manje sikhuluma amaqiniso wayengadlala ibhola ngoba uyalithanda
ingenye yo
thanda amantombazana
hayi
awujoli ne sesemncane ujola masona ngakhi
17
nangakhi manje
16
yabo le age okuyo sana kumele ujim ube fit udlala ibhola yazo ungajoli ne at all ne yabo labantu abathandayo futhi uthanda abantu professional
Mfundo Vilakazi no Mfundo Vilakazi kuphela
yambona Mfundo Vilakazi ukuphi ngoba uyamthanda kumele ufane naye yezo ujim uqala ibhola udlala ma ayike athi engadlala ibhola nasanzoba mfana onjani ungadlala ibhola mara uyalithanda bazothi istabano udlala ibhola ntona yami ne ane ya uma udlala ibhola azimile udlala iposition engakufanele strike plus ngiyakubona ungakora nasana ube grand ntona yami ne azona ngikuthandelana uhlezi la ground that's why ngikugayi second interview yeah na next time uzokuthola mara next time abuya la ubuya sewudlala ibhola ne awe sharp ntona yami sharp yabo maye kushushu kuyashisa ilanga liyashisa nalomuntu engimphethe uyashisa so phela zokutshela something zokutshela into eyi1 ntwana lo muntu engimphethe uKalawa Jazz wonke umuntu yamazi yangithola lo mjito ubuke odlala against iManchester United wa Treble Paul Schools nonke namkena best midfielder yaseEngland mara Grootman ngicela ungishayile into eyi1 usintroduce igama lakho lamampela because most yabantu especially ama viewers wethu akena ngoKalawa wena uzobatshela igama lakho nesibongo nokuthi ubuyava
mina njayami uKaso Sinamela ngibuye Vosloorus.
So Grootman sicela usitshela ngeexperience yakho yedisc idisc uqale nini ukudlala and since uqalele ngecareer yakho yedisc udlalele mapha ama club till manje
Wazithi ngadlala idisc ngiqale eKasi ngidlala iClassic ngadlala iBluebirds ngadlala Antinia ku Vets development mangisuka ku Vets ngaya ku Chiefs development ngadlala 2 season under 17 under 19 ngaya ku first team mangisuka ku first team eChiefs ngadlala eBarcelona waqeda ngilobangilonela kaMazulu ngadlala kaMazulu sasurvive relegation kaMazulu bayenza iswap deal ngathi ngaya ku Golden Arrows ngifika Golden Arrows ngadlala masuka Golden Arrows ngaya eTurkey ku Ankara Gucu ngahlala 6 months mangiceda kusuka lapho ngabuya ku Platinum Stars ngadlala Platinum Stars ngabuyela kwaMazulu ngaya ku Polokwane City from Polokwane City ngabuya ngaza ku Alex United yadlala ku Alex ngaya ku Baberwa ngakizriki hayi ngazidlalela ngazifocusela kuma 10 lo ndla ama tournament
cause Grootman la mubuya kude nedisc yo and kunama rumors ukuthi wena mawucala udlala idisc ucala igoalkeeper iVAR lelo
ngidlala konke ngizangibe nenkinga ngidlala konke eklabini
ucala igoalkeeper
hayi noma kuphi
so Grootman I think ama viewers wethu azothanda ukwazi ukuthi kahle uKalawa ublind kangakanani ngedisc so ngicela ungitshela ukuthi ubani i-toughest opponent ekhawadlala against
ndala ngizokutshela ngidlala nama good players abo best players la eSouth Africa against ngidlala nabantu abanzima
so i-best player like as a teammate ekhawadlala nayo just name a 2 or 1 at least
yabo la team engibuya kuyo ngidlala neStar yabo wonke umuntu engidlala naye Star akunankomo akunani into engakhona ukuba ne-best player kuphe ngasho umuntu nakantswembu ngikhule ngimthanda nokujabulani Mendi noShoes abantu engikhule ngibathanda maze ngilapha kwaba uSkara ama Grootman aseKasi nabo Patrick Twala bona ukuthi baningi labantu laba engikhule ngibabukela from Vosloorus ngibabukela labantu laba bhaya
so Kalawa Jazz currently ku South African football ngicela unginemele like top 3 best players ku PSL.
Baningi mfethu umuntu iperformance yakhe khona umuntu performa national aperform teamini khona yabo baningi yabo into ngiphi ngayo ayibona ukuthi okay siyapusha South Africa.
So wena Kalawa as a player mawudlala ema tournament nafana nalawa agcwele abantu like I pressure uyihandlela kanjani?
Namanje pressure ayiki pressure.
How you feel pressure? So prepare kanjani for ama big game?
Mfethu kusala usojima siyajima yabo angeke udlala ibhola ungajimanga ukucala.
Okay, so Europe eyiphi iclub oyifavorayo?
Club engifavor ya depend the style of play. Ngoba ngiyabukela wonke ama team from England, Spain, Italy. There's different play. Yabo.
Okay, so kulama players ngizo mention ane uzo starter 1, bench 1 and sell. uBellingham, Petri no Vitinha. Petri, Bellingham, Vitinha. Start, bench and sell.
Ngihamba no Petri.
Bese ubencha bani?
Yebo bonke babencha, Petri kusala zodlala.
Ukuyaba bench. Ungazibencha wena for uPetri.
Petri you play different game. Petri is a mobile playmaker.
Ekasubani i-midfield obhekile ebetha kunoKalawa. Ukalawa ubetha kunoKalawa.
Yeah.
Rodman word of the day.
Iba uwe njaya.
Sabonga Rodman, much. So bafethu manje ngiphethe umjita lana yabo. Mina nyamazi but nanimazi. So ngizomiyeka introduce nje yami ngicela utshela amaviewers wethu igama nesibongo nokuthi uBlomava.
Sure. Igama uQuincy abaningi bangitshela ngomjimaro ngiphuma eEast Valley Springs but ngikhulele eDavidson.
So Jayami because most yabantu bakena ezumuntu odlala iDisc but so far kule tournament awudlali. So since the tournament icalile uzema ukusupporta yipi team la?
La ngizobukela ibathini bona ngifavor ibathini bona i-team yami engidlalelayo but due to ama circumstances ukuthi league icalile angikwazi ukuparticipate kula ma tournament anarani.
Okay nje ngizokubuza ama basic question like based to iDisc. So as iDisc udlala midfielder ane mawubhekile yipi position enzima kunawo wonke grounding?
Position nawo wonke I'd say number 10 behind the striker because ifuna abantu abakhona ukucabanga abantu abaphethe plan.
So iplayer edlala i10 ongalirate ukuthi ibest ungathi ubani eMzansi and overseas?
Ngapha best number 10 for me Tito Maswangane. And then overseas behind the striker angazi if uyamazi uFermin Lopez from Barcelona. Yeah. Iba abantu abakhona ukucabanga la.
So njami ipi team oyisupportayo ngapha eMzansi nangale Orkant?
Ngapha eMzansi ngifavor iPagania and then overseas ngifavor iArsenal Gunners of London.
So currently ku PSL ubani best player and ubani player elperforma bad ngokubona kwakho?
Currently ku PSL I'd say umremu usefomini manje. Umremu usefomini awutebza Mokoena ngeke ngize ngithi performer because we settle but I think he's one of the best players ku PSL right now. And then overseas mina ngizibukeleli iArsenal mfethu overseas yabo. And so far for mina okay uRice is a key player ku Arsenal at the moment. So I'd say he's the one that's performing.
Okay Jam. So kulama player lawa i3 ngizobizela wona start 1 bench and sell. Petri, Jude Bellingham and Vitinha.
Start Petri, bench Vitinha and sell Bellingham.
Okay very because I think uyayibukela bafana bo. So since kuma AFCON ngo December iliphi iplayer ongathanda ukuthi bal-add esquadini and iliphi iplayer ongalikhipha?
Currently mina I'd say Hugo Bruce mela beki pride aside Orlando Lodge.
Sure. Bese kuphuma bani?
Yo, phuma bani? Ayibaningi abonyika umubi man abadeserve kuba lapha man.
So Jami, since kuwe wadlala ibhola ubani i-toughest opponent kwadlala nalo and ubani best player kwadlala nalo as a teammate?
Toughest opponent ngasho ukuthi ukudlala against okay ngisakhula ngizothi uBoss Songa angazi if niyamazi uAaron Ndlovu
hayi uBoss nyamazi
hayi ke ayidonsisa le athothi le and then umuntu engasho ukuthi best of teammates engike ngadlala nayo uGeneral Mavaivai from eDavidson.
So lama midfielder lawa ayitrendzwa nema ekasi Kalawa Professor uGeneral Mavaivai waseDavidson ubani best kule 3
without a doubt uGeneral Mavaivai
wow General
kubo bonke for mina uyenza yonke into kubo bonke.
So nje mina as a player ne like mawudlala eground especially ama tournament afana nalawa agcwele abantu like uziprepare kanjani for ama game and uhandle kanjani pressure?
I'd say you play the game, you don't play the occasion. Pressure melanga igene inhloko and stuff. Yeah, it's one of those games with maybe ama nerves nan but yafana na wonke ama game.
Akana basangitshela ukuthini bathi wena uperforma better egroundini if gcwele amantombazana. Yangithola. So ngathi ayina chance thing isibuzele uperforma better vele makukhona bochera.
Ayikho leyo.
Abochera abathanda.
Ngibathanda.
Currently utry nje yami.
Ngiyatry ngemiri.
Ibizi imeri yakho lapha sibona ukuthi awuyitholeli. Ngiyadlala. Hayi singayibizi what if khona okufunayo into ezikanjalo yangithola so yabhayiziseka so kuPagania currently ubani ibest player uthe umuremi okay so kuPagania currently ubani player dlala lapha but al deserve kuba lapha
sure
sabasabi ndoda sabasabi mina ngibasabi
elidlala lapha mara lingadeserve
yeah
hayi kube phela bangadeserve kuba bekho lapha ya for mina wonke umuntu uphula i-effort wonke umuntu uyayifaka i-effort so I wouldn't say ikhona i-suspect lapha at the moment I don't think ikhona.
So yini into ongathanda ukuyichange like ngebhola like ku professional into ongayichange any rule ongayichange?
I wouldn't say ikhona irule engayichange but i-corruption ebholweni ibhaya mfowethu.
Okay.
There's a lot of players the quality sibona like asisingayiboni ku PSL.
Since umuntu odala like adlala ibhola ne ngizokubuza le question le. So let's say udlala idiski uneyelo card like mesh uneyelo card ne. So mawuna yellow card uyazi mawukora wakhulula iskipper i-red card. So asithi uyakora ukhulula iskipper abagay red card only to find out ukuthi goal lakho i-VAR irula as offside. I-yellow card i-red card yakhe yachubeka ukuthi bayicancel.
Kumele bayicancel.
Why?
Because angishikula balrule out.
Okay, nje anywhere of the day for my viewer.
Anywhere of the day. Yo. Ayangisumuntu ama motivation but yonke into temporary. Whatever you going through it's temporary. Soba krens soba mnandi.
So ngisikhathi sakho nje yami.
Sure.
Okay. Bafethu wonke umuntu ufuna uBlackberry siyacala ukucolela abantu so ngeinterview yomuntu so guys umuntu engimphethe la uBlackberry show labantu abaningi bayamkena nimkena ngedisk ifone emnyama so Black ngicela uzintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela cause most yabantu bakwazi ngoBlack usho ukuthi ubani wakabani ubuyapi.
Alright ngiyabonga for i-interview igama uXolani ngibuya eThembisa isibongo uNkala so yeah yimi loyo uBlackberry.
Abantu ababhaya bakwazi ngedisk lasekasi show lile likudumisile so sicela like usoke through icareer yakho yebhola ukuthi ucale nini ukudlala ibhola like wadlala kuyiphi team until manje?
Alright uyazi mfethu ibhola uliqala usasemncane yabo but mangikhumbula kahle bengidlalela iHurricane neRangers then from there uyazi mawukhula I get an opportunity ukuthi ngidlale ku-SAB ku-Black Pirates then from ku-Black Pirates ngaya ku-ABC ngadlalela iDolphin for 2 seasons sawin league then we went into ama playoff mangifika kuma playoff bang scouta ngaya kumbembola for I professional contract yami yokuqala, then from there Mbombela, then M Tigers, JTR, TTM, yeah manje ngikutanda. So yeah.
So Grootman angitshele as a player like I pressure uhendlila kanjani and uziprepare kanjani for ama game afana nalawa sekas and layitala lezo hlezi uzenza lo practice nini Grootman?
I pressure mfethu ibhaya yabo, but uyazi mawuphethe ama teammate a grand they always have I backup ukuthi amajita mfethu uyayenza riding, so lenzile igama thina we here to protect you, iyenze leyo nto. So iskill mfethu uyazi ngayincelebeleni lento mfethu isegazini yabo. So yeah mangijima noma ngithola isikhathi ngisendlini mangiyi-1 ngiya practice, I understand obviously I football is entertainment yabo, so everyone entertainer ngendlela yakhe, which is mina uBlackberry bangazi ngekhombi local yabo izintonyana ezinjalo. So yeah creative nje ukuthi mangisekasi mangizihlelele I understand. So yeah.
So Grootman, since ugame disc ne ubani I player like ulibona as if like I toughest opponent kawadlala against and ubani I player eli best kawadlala nawo as a teammate?
Toughest player ngengadlala nayo I think lo mfana udlalela ichipa, plays a right back uCipa. So yeah, and I think umuntu engidlale naye engidlala nama player bhaya blind yabo, but I will go for Ukalawa Jazz yabo. Lela Grootman kahle for the way ngakhona manje is because of Ukalawa Jazz. Me sema ngicala ukudlala noKalawa it teach me a lot of things, then I think uBlackberry uqale lapho ukuduma kahle I understand from Ukalawa. So manje sekulula mangene grounding because of lento angikayona inqondo angikayona, especially bengiclose naye bengiphila naye bokumngani wami, but at the same time bokuyiGrootman, so I respect bebhaya, so ngiyama appreciate and ngichetha naye ngiyambonga every day mangithola isikhathi. So yeah Kalawa is one of the best teammates I play with.
Ukasi football eliphi player ongasho ukuthi ayile ngepenseli yamvala uBlackberry?
Ay babhaya ne
At least name 3.
Okay yeah yabona mina number 1 I'll go for Darian, yeah Squama. Then number 2 I'll go for Shake It Up, yeah. I think for Shakes so young Tolly, yeah landlord I'll go for him Leo 3 le Shake It Up Squama, and then no Shakes, yeah I'll go for Leo 3.
Abantu abaningi abasibukele Black bangathanda ukwazi mo ngawe, so sicela usitshele ukuthi eyiphi iclub oyifavor ku professional eMzansi na overseas?
eMzansi mfethu ngiyibhakani yabo plus ngimnyama yabona ngiyangithola. So ne time lami vele bekuyiPirates, so unfortunately already lami Chiefs, that's why dream yami ukuthi since ngiyintwana ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi already lami libe neskipa se Chiefs yabo, but mina ngifavor Pirates because bengiclose ne timer and the timer nalo lidlalile idiski, so ngikhule ngifavor Pirates. So yeah I-team engifavor iPirates, then overseas le team yami man iManchester United ne Real Madrid yabo, so you are my team engiwafavor yo vele.
So yeah, since umuntu odlala ibhola show uyalibukela mos na TV, kulama midfielder lawa abawa hyper manje ungitshele you start 1 bench and sell. Okay. Pedri, Bellingham and Vitinha.
Sell 1, play start 1, bench 1. Mfethu. Yo. Okay. Ngapha iSuvetina yabo, sell Vitinha. Bench Pedri, start Bellingham.
Because of Madrid or because of Uyonsweni?
No, Bellingham prior mudlala ibhola engilithandayo, especially as a hard worker, I understand. He's a very hard working player, uyakora, uyamaka. So nami ngikhule like surrounding yami, I believe ukuthi hiyo into eyenzakalayo. So Pedri is one of the best he can think, but akekho aggressive enough kule ma position ukuthi manje ke attack or defend because of team yabi hlala iphethe ibhola, ngiya understand, but uBellingham ay prior miyaspana le clever le, so ngithanda lokho.
But unema uNtswemu nge-dribbling mara mebangamlethe kasi ngeke abuye kuBlackberry ivari lelo.
Na injalo bra.
Ngeke abuye.
Yeah, King you1 mfethu.
King you1.
Yeah, uyazi.
So currently kubafana squad kulama players wasebenzisa kubafana ethi uyazi December bafana yodlala AFCON. So kubafana bafana iliphi iplayer ngeke esquadini ongathanda ukuthi libe khona and iliphi player ongal replace?
I think Uthembi Kosiloch yabo is doing well ku Wydad, you understand. From the downfall yakhe ku Sundowns maka Chiefta, he had a bad 2 or 3 season ku Sundowns, then he went to Wydad wabuya emandleni. So it shows the character, they believe ukuthi you can still make it no matter what, you understand, as long you're working hard. So I'll go for Uloji and replace Umuremi. Umuremi is a good player, but for me now I'll go for Uloji and replace Umuremi.
Because now I think Uloji values privilege as a country good World Cup against Man City, against the Juventus. If I'm not mistaken, I think Elo Akora, Connie Kemalo Akora, and currently value perform a trend. So be advise on guy into an is squeezes cool grand.
Alright, advise into ngihlale ngisho vela amagama wami awekho nzima, hard work, discipline and believe in yourself. So the only thing engayisho, stay away from izinto snacks like abo happy, alcohol, understand, and stay disciplined in faith. So ipola, it's a short career, especially for like South Africa, understand the opportunities are slim. So in that 10 or 5 years, if you can stay disciplined, you can make money, become one of the best players in South Africa, but it needs the dedication, the discipline. So into one that's the only thing I show, hard work, discipline and work hard.
Because you have abantu abathanda play kithinka into one ichance intwana yini into ongathanda kuyisho ku Blackberry
ukuthi aphushe asebenze kanzima ukuze azokwazi ukuphumelela siphakamisela ikasi.
Siyabonga isikhathi sakho Grootman.
Bonga mina futhi.
Siyabonga namazwi akho boy ne. Sharp.
Ladies, guys, we're always bringing you the best players. Ridila the best players. So, my brother, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, go tell about and which team do you play for?
Okay, Kamala Mutepo, Pera Nunes, Umasta, Ndlalela Imtakasi FC.
Okay, Utsapo udlala nini ukudlala ibola? Please take us through ijourney yakho ukuthi uqale ukudlala nini ibola and which teams did you play for?
Okay, mina ibola ngiqala ukudlala ngisasemncane, ngisase na 5 or 6 if I'm not mistaken, and ngidlalele ama team amaningi across the country. I can mention Mpumalanga, Free State, la Gauteng local. Just that if I have to mention names angeke ngicede manje, but then yeah, ngidlalela ama team amaningi kakhulu. So sengila kumtakasi manje and I'm enjoying it so far. Siya dominate, siya win, so it's a good experience for me.
So what motivated you to play football? Yini ntekeleke into ukuthi and manje, like out of all the careers akhona when you chose to play football, what motivated you to play that?
There is no motivation really. I think it's love, honestly, because the first time ngisaqala ukukhabi bola, I just fell in love with the game, and ever since then I haven't looked back. So it's just love for me. That's what motivates me. I love the game, I love what I'm doing. That's why I do it. It's just love.
Okay, so when as a player, of course, like there are some of the motivations in order for them to push and do better. So what are some of the motivations you give yourself, or what is that one thing or things that motivate you to do better among the ground?
Okay, first of all, langbuya khona and nalento ngingenela grounding. It's what motivates me to always win and do better. And also sidlalela ukuwina, as you can see, the team engidlalelayo, the mentality is about winning, the language is about winning. We want to dominate everywhere we go, every tournament we play, we want to win. So that's the intention. So for me also, motivation, the group that I'm around, the chairman is very supportive, the players that I'm around, it's only quality players, so we always want to win, and that's what we aim for whenever singing a grounding. We always want to fight for each other and make sure that we get the results, make our supporters happy, make ourselves happy, and keep on uplifting the name AM Takas. Yeah.
Speaking of dominance, winning in today's game, Lili Nelena Fika kuma penalties, was that like the plan? Was that the plan? Good, okay, we're gonna go to penalties or what?
Truly speaking, when Asiswami, playing for Mutakasi, you're playing for a big team, so every game is gonna be difficult. Every team is gonna go all out. They wanna put in more effort than you do, so every every game is going to be a final for us. Even last week we created a lot of chances, we couldn't score. The same thing happened today. We were creating a lot of chances but we couldn't convert, but it had to go down to penalties, and that's where we need our top players to step up and make sure that we win the game. So every game for us is not an easy game. The games are not the same. Sometimes we're going to get games like this whereby we struggle to score, but we must make sure that we fight until the end. And fortunately here we are. Our fighting spirit, our focus, not switching off, led us to the victory today, and I'm happy that we got the result that we wanted, which is a win.
So what are some of the things that you change when it comes to today's game, like Moipega overall performance or like anything in general that you would change when it comes to today's game?
Performance wise, I think we did well. We were creating a lot of chances, hence we didn't make any subs because the team was doing well. We just needed luck and to convert our chances and make sure that we convert them into goals. That's all. Yeah.
Okay. No, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations once again on your win, and we wish you nothing but the best when it comes to your career as an individual and as a team.
Thank you, my sister.
Bafethu yo ama ngiphethe nje kakhulu. Lo muntu engimphethe ubuya Orkanti bafethu ku MLS udlale against uMessi lo mchita lo. So Rodman lami tsikitsiki ngicela uzintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela cause most yabantu ekasi bakena ngotsiki. Usho igama isibongo nokuthi ubuyava.
Okay, mina nguKatlego Ntshabele ngibuye Davidson.
So Rodman angitshela ufike kanjani overseas?
Ngiye through scholarship nani. I started at school and then after I graduated ngadlala ngada.
So Rodman since like uqalile ngediski ubani iplayer ongasho ukuthi yili player kwadlala nalo like ulisho as the toughest opponent and iliphi iplayer ongasho ukuthi yili player li best kwadlala nalo as a teammate?
Oh, ngithi toughest opponent beku Sergio Busquets obvious, and then engidlale nalo teammate amshani lazi Maru Lucho Acosta.
Oh Lucho. Ngizozama ukumkhokhola. Ngizozama ukumbheka. So Rodman yo like I don't believe right now uthi nginawe again. Like I believe izinto zimane yang stress. Izinto zimane ziyenzeka. So khawaba ne conversation no Messi.
Not really, just ama greetings nani but nothing much.
Shavuka isingamba kuliyatsotsi.
Spanish.
One way.
Yeah, Spanish one way.
So iphi team oyifavor yo Orkanti?
Man City.
So okay, since you favor Man City, iliphi player like ongal describe is a role model for wena?
Beku David Silva sadlala ku Man City.
Okay, so currently kulama player adlala overseas ubani player like eli best onga like ongasho ukuthi best in the world right now?
Right now. Aish, manje ngasho ukuthi Pedro.
So kule position Pedro. Ayishazi ngifuna ukubuza iquestion yokuthi ungaqala bani uPedro Bellingham movie thinya but say obvious uzoqala uPedro obvious. So okay, kulawa ama player ke ngizoyenza ama player wasemzansi intwana lezi zamanje. Ungaqala ngobani? I mean bench one cell and relax. Bench. Oh, ngizenga camera.
All right.
Bench cell and start. Ane kurele Mfukeng umntu Shabalala nalentwana le bathu ba lentwana le ngifuna intwana entswembu okay tingenza ngalezo zi3 umntu urele umfundo Vilakazi
yo tough le mara ngizocala urele Mpenju Vilakazi ngisela umntu
lapha ku dance uba lo trouble ku training
bonke abachita bamnandi
ubani trouble kakhulu
bonke
ayile ubani Costa ubani Figo Santos
abachita bamnandi tanga, everyone's talented, that's why competition high. Yeah.
Mina nje ngicela ukuthi ngishayile 5-1 mafika lapha ku downs u training ngazi njimanini ungruntela umshishi.
Alright,
pressing the number yakho ngicongibuyele nejesi.
Okay, angizokhuluma naso.
So any word of the day for my viewers?
Word of the day, just believe in God and everything is possible.
Tabonga Rodman.
Sure. Thank you.
nani niyayibonela bahlali ukuthi siphethe umuntu ofake one of the most ngizothini respected party when it comes to ilontuzana ama parties ahlangene. Okay, so my brother, please introduce yourself. Utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do kule tournament ena kanjeni?
No, asibingelele wonke ama viewers wenu. Igama mina nguThulane wakamzameko. Ngokwe responsibility I'm the zonal chairperson of ANC Youth League. Ngo branch secretary futhi we ANC ward nelibizwa ukuthi ward 101. Yes.
Okay, so chairman, since you've been here kula tournament lawa, what would you say it's that one thing you picking up or ibona ukuthi impact a community positively?
Firstly, it's the platform that this tournament offers ikakhulukazi to the players, because it gives an opportunity for scouters to come babzo observer italent esinalo in what is known as disadvantaged environment kuselokishini la, but it doesn't mean ukuthi ngoba kuselokishini kushithi talent alikho. So this place gives an opportunity firstly for young people siqale lapho nje ukuthi basuke yabona la, you don't find drugs, you don't find snacks la, people are watching soccer, they've given their time ukuthi beze bazoyenza something positive. So firstly it's the positivity that this environment gives. Number two, it gives also our players the opportunity to showcase their talent so that bakwazi ukuba scout. This place has produced abantwana abaningi who you see today badlala professional football. They come from places like this. So that is one thing that we support. We support anything that represents progress, anything that represents ubuhle emphakathini.
So as you mentioned ukuthi you are a chairman ANC Youth League. So what would you say it's impacts yenu as the Youth League when it comes to it ama tournament ana kanjeni?
You would first know ukuthi just this past weekend lesibuya kuyo we had hosted our own tournament,
okay,
which was in Egoruleni. Good thing is that team winile ke Katlong Juventus la ngihlala khona la ngosihlalo khona. So Wednesday will be handing over ama prizes for that team. It was sponsored by the youth directorate la Egoruleni. So we also host our tournaments as an organization as well. But kula ma tournament aso first ingxenye sidlala kakhulu is to firstly come and support this tournament so that nathi sibe visible bonakala ukuthi konke okuhle okwenzakala emphakathini nathi siba khona with our branded clothes asinamahloni because we are engaged in a positive activity lenzakala la. Yes.
Okay, so as you have mentioned right now that you also host ama tournaments. Yes. So like as a tournament host, what would you say it's that like the 2 or 3 challenges that you faced in hosting such numbers of people?
The first thing omele uyazi every organize ama tournament angakadinga ama resource. So mostly uba ne issue ke when you need to find sponsors ikakhulukazi thina si political organization. Maybe for laba abanye aba non-profit organization and NGOs, maybe for them it's easier, but for thina ke sourcing out ama resource ukuzo host into ezifana it can be quite challenging. But however we do appreciate the support esitholayo from local business people, also nama partners asinokusebenzisana nawo. But I challenge kakhulu ile yokuhlanganisa ama resource because you firstly you organize the transport, ama players ku venue, you must organize food, you must organize all sorts of things to host a tournament of this magnitude. It's not easy, but we do pull through because sayithanda lento esenzayo. Yes.
So when and as the okay, let me not say when, okay, Nina as a whole as ANC Youth League, what would you say impacts positively when it comes to other sports? Of course, like a lot of people focus on football. So like what is it that one thing or like a few things that we would do to shift that thing yokuthi football is the only important sport, but like kube eyes on other sports?
I think in my view the first thing is that asibe nama facility malokishini that also supports other sporting codes. If you can move around here, it's very difficult to thola ama facilities that support amanye ama sporting codes.
Okay.
You will not find a cricket ground la elokishini. You will not find a tennis ground, it's very difficult.
Yes.
You will not find a basketball ground la elokishini. Itegcwele ama ground webhola and sometimes the netball. Those are the two, but the major obviously sport ozothola elokishini. So firstly ayiqale futhi kakhulukazi ngoba you look at abantu aba involved in sports is mainly youth. Ayiqale ezikolweni. Izikolo azibe nama facilities that support abantwana to have different interests in terms of ama sporting codes. It can't be that every school moya kuso the only ground ozolithola elebhola. Yes. So ayiqale ezikolweni because that's where the passion starts. That's where people find good. No, I mean I actually don't like soccer. I like also other sporting codes. So ama facilities as we must push that ezikolweni ezisemalokishini akube another environment that supports abantwana to have different interests in terms of ama sporting codes. So that izokwazi ukumove ke izemalokishini asihlala khona bazokwazi ukuba nama teams and all of that sibona ama challenges abakhona in terms of ama contestation nama tournament to support also other talents in sporting codes. So issue esinayo kakhulukazi ile yama facilities that supports different kind of sporting sporting codes ezikhona yabo. Would like to see ama cricket ground, basketball, hockey, izinto esinganazo. That's why you even see in professional levels you don't find abantwana akakhulukazi abamnyama swimming. You don't find abantu abamnyama abaswima because asina swimming pools style lapho, must be honest, nasezikolweni. So ayifiki ngeke ungathi ungekho exposed to an environment and then ube ne idea angeke uyicabanga indaba yokuswima ingekho swimming pool esikolweni or around your environment yabona. And also other things abantu bakwazi ukubona people have different talents, but if we don't expose them to the right infrastructure in terms of ama facilities we might never know. Maybe we might have the best NBA players lasas maybe khona la lokishini produce for netball, is produce for basketball and also other sporting codes. It's very difficult ikakhulukazi abantwana abahlala emalokishini. Yes.
Okay. So a few words of encouragement to the youth as an ANC youth league or leader. You of course, like there are few words that you can give out to them, and what would be those words?
Firstly, young people must be interested in politics. There's a saying bantu bacabanga ukuthi politics is just something yenza abantu abafuna ukuba engaged in corruption, which is a taboo. Ayikho into enjalo. Abantu abafuna ukudla, which is a taboo. Ayikho into enjalo. Abantu abafuna ukwenza into ezisinaka. Politics is very important because yonke lento engikhulume ngayo ukuze yenzeke it takes a political process. You understand? So if you're a young person, you're not involved in what affects you, phela lama decision egcineni, you must be part of the decision making process as well, so that you can voice out. That's how democracy works, so that they can be able to say no, we also need this, we want this. Bangakhulumi from emakoneni, bakhulume from kuma social media nama Facebook. Let them be involved, and also we want to encourage them, let them be involved in things that are positive emphakathini. There's sports, be involved in sports. Abazama ukubalekela into ezi wrong, bangazitholi basema drugs and all other things that are unsavory. That is not going to assist us. In fact, yabona other races are progressing thina uyabona nje ngakubonisa abantu abayi 4 5 6 labana 13 years abaphethe beer, which is wrong. So we want to encourage young people to participate entweni ezinhle, hence we come here not as well to also show that hey into enhle akube into esizinvolve ngayo. So young people, firstly, let them be interested in politics. Politics is very important. Bangayithathi light leyo nto le is very important, because if you're not part of the decision making you can't complain afterwards. Let them be part of politics. Let them go have a platform where they can voice out their ideas. Abantu abasha bahlakaniphile banama ideas, but it won't work. We need them in the right platform. Let them be involved and participate in politics. That's what I would say to them.
No, thank you so much. We admire the work that you do to the community. Ngathi ngaqhubeka and nihlanganise youth and then expose them to things that are positive other than negative. Thank you so much for your time.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu nami, and I also I hope sizayibona lento so that you also see the audience eningi, so that you continue to support your channel as well. What you are doing is good.
Thank you so
and we fully support you.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Of course, in each and every tournament, there's a tournament host. We have one of the tournament hosts who's diga deep into the vision and the mission of the tournament. My brother, please introduce yourself. Ebantwini batshela ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which organization do you work for?
Sanibonani my viewers. Igama lami uBonga Inkosi. Jemba Sikyebi. Jemba is my nickname engaziwa ngalo. Ngakhula ngidlala ngalo ibhola. I'm a chairman of Palm Ridge Active Lifestyle Game, which is PRALS abbreviation yakhona.
So please tell us the whole vision and the mission of starting this whole organization.
Mission ne vision yethu is to take abantwana off the street babelana. As you can see ukuthi wonke umuntu lana mncane mdala, they are all here, and then we also pushing them ukuthi bathole exposure baye ku professional level, because I think in the past few years siba producile ama player which are now kuma Vodacom, NFD and PSL. Even the well-known current players, they once graced this field.
So organization lena iqale nini, and how success yakhona, how has it been from the years that you have been pushing this whole thing till now?
The organization iqale 2019. We are an NPO organization. We don't focus kubola lodwa. We also give back. Ngesikhathi sabo Mandela 18 si visit ama orphan, si visit ama crash. I think we do a lot as an organization. So we started in 2019 up until manje. We still growing and growing.
So as you have mentioned that you do not focus on only football, and you do other things as giving back to the community and all that. So do you think lawamanye ama sports, they are given that much attention as football?
I think angimentionanga masiqala, we also do netball. And then we are also trying to push ukuthi siye ku ladies football. You understand? Ukuthi nawo amantombazana accommodated. But as you can see, asinazo ama netball courts which are a challenge. Uyabona, because ama netball awafani na football field, yabona. Kwamele kube itha surface, yabona. So we come across lawo ma challenges lawo. Then hence sihamba sicela ama donation and but one of the good days we'll have a netball court next to it, 80 ground, where we'll accommodate in netball, where we'll accommodate abo baseball. Isn't eziningi nje sports, but thina okwamanje we are strong football because it's the only way around this now currently.
So speaking of Lontuzana challenges, what are some of the major challenges you have faced when hosting such a crowd?
We there's a lot. First thing first, we need to have the ambulance. Yeah, but we need to have ama security. Yeah, but I know people inakudingeka ukuthi kube nama security, but we need to ukuthi kube ne order. Yeah, but at some point we have ama high profile personnel. You know now ukuthi umphakathi ubehave kanjani mawubabona, but they must be protected. So I think isibana ama challenge amakhulu when it comes to either safety, when it comes to indaba yama ambulance, yabona. If singakhona ukuthi sithole lezo zinto lezo, and then I think half of our problems will be solved.
Okay, so like if there are anything or things that you would change when it comes to hosting ama tournaments, what would be those things?
So far ngisayithatha as it comes, but each and every after event esiyenzayo sihlala phansi sibone where we la sibe nama shortcomings khona, and then si compare nokuthi yini sithole kahle, and then we work on our shortcomings. But for now I cannot clearly or really say ukuthi which is which.
Okay. So where to from here? Okay, what is it that you want out of like success stories you want out of this whole organization?
we want to be amongst our best Kasi football tournament. Yabo, there is Phillies game in 30 years. I mean, we are 5 years, but we are on the right track. So one of the good days is we should go to Nati, sibe good level about Phillies games.
A few words for the tournament supporters.
Ngiyabonga manu kuziphatha kwabo ba enjoy ibhola. Everyone uyambona ukuthi happy, there are no fights, they respect our official, which is a good thing. So far so good. I'm happy now.
Okay. We admire the work that you are doing, say, for a community. Truly, like, and I know one thing for sure. This tournament, it has a positive impact to a community. So you guys can grow and never stop doing such things to a community, because at the end of the day, you are changing people's lives, and yeah, we wish you nothing but the best in everything.
Ngiyabonga na for ithuba. It means a lot ukuthi singan invite, but kube yini enizelayo sithole leyo exposure nathi nani nekhulu at the very same time. So I wish everyone can grow through e-sport.
No, thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga sisoma.
Thank you. A little positivity for the day. Of course, we have some of the people who impact positively in such tournaments. My sister, please introduce yourself. And what do you do with the tournament?
Good afternoon, viewers. Is it listeners or viewers?
Viewers.
Oh, okay. My name is Metelia. I work for Aimakamo Funerals. I'm the provincial manager for Gauteng. I came across these wonderful guys speaking in Frustan. Yes. So the reason for us being here today, we are the sponsor for Prowl's Heritage Games. It's Aimakamo Funerals. Considering the fact that the Bishop Aimakamo grew up in the street of Katoras. You went to school around Katoras. So, and as Aimakamo Funerals, we've been in the business for 5 years now. We're celebrating our 5th year. And when we started as Aimakamo Funerals, Katoras welcomed us very well. So we thought of giving back to the community. And when Prowls decided to come to us for sponsorship, we as Aimakamo Funerals, we decided to give back to the community, of which this is not the first sponsor, this is our second one. We did the first one last year, and this is our second one. It's going very well. We're being introduced to soccer. Someone like me that is not familiar with soccer, I get to understand, and I'm very happy that our brothers and sisters that don't have jobs, that don't have anything, they've got hobbies, and those hobbies get to be shown by playing soccer. So hence we sponsored as Aimakamo Funerals.
So looking at this whole thing, you know, there's women's football as well. Yes. So as a woman, do you think women's football is given that much attention as men's football?
I think it's something that needs to be looked into, but I believe because we've got Banyana, women are being recognized. So with us, we don't go out looking for people to sponsor. We wait for people. Like they say, isisus luma umnigaz. Yes. So when someone comes and we look at the finances, it's able for us to sponsor. So should women come, I believe we'll look into that, because our CEO believes in empowering women as well.
Okay.
Yes.
So speaking of women empowerment, what would you say as Aimakamo Funerals, what would you say is that one thing or a few things that you do in empowering women?
For starters, I'm the provincial manager of Aimakamo Funerals in Gauteng. I think that's enough. Women empowerment, yes. Okay. We are being empowered as women. You know, there's no sexist at our workplace, you know. So yeah, I for one, I'm a testimony at Aimakamo Funerals. Yes.
Of course, like in hosting such huge tournaments, of course there are going to be challenges that you face. So what would you say are major challenges that you have faced as a sponsor when it comes to sponsoring a tournament?
Okay, for now I haven't faced any challenge. I only faced a challenge, the previous one of which I can't discuss. But for now here, I'm happy with everything. We don't have any challenges at the moment. Yes.
So what are the success stories you are trying to get out out from this whole thing and as an organization?
It's for us to be recognized that we do give back to the community. Yes. Okay. It's about giving back to the community at the end of the day.
Okay. So what are the few words you'd give to people who want to be in a position Oguyo Wena and to be in a position Eniguyo as a whole company?
Okay, I would say to every youth in the world, right? You don't have to be great to start. You just have to start. Jobs are scarce. There is no jobs, and there are so many qualified youth that have got their certificates just hanging in the wall. But when an opportunity knocks on your door, you don't open the door. You break it open. Okay? So they mustn't wait and they mustn't believe that the government owes them jobs. Government does not owe anyone a job. You have to start somewhere. I started as a sales agent, but today I stand proud and confident and telling people that I am the Gauteng provincial manager of iMakamo Funerals.
I am very inspired, by the way, and thank you so much for your time, and we admire the work that you do, Gu community, and we wish you nothing but greatness as an individual and as a team as a whole. Thank you so much for your time. Now that you agreed on Gutingik interview, how do you feel?
No, I'm okay. I was just fooling around, you know. So I would like to say to the people, we as iMakamo Funerals, we are an undertaker. We've got a special that we are running currently, which is a 3-month waiting period. Okay, if you are interested and if you are willing to join iMakamo Funerals, please call 087-183-6828. 087-183-6828. Tina si iMakamo Funerals sithi sinawe ebunzimeni.
Banawe ebunzimeni. Please do not miss the special, guys. Ningas missing special. This is a great one. Yabo. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah, ne, what a day. So guys, ngiphethe uMaponya la show labaningi benu bayamazi. Njaya ngicela introduce ngegama lakho lamampela nangesibongo utshela ama viewers wethu ukuthi ubuyapi.
Okay. Mina ngunjabulo Maponya, ngibuya eDavidson eThwathwa.
So Grootman, okay, before we go further, sicela usitshele about game ya today ukuthi menjani and the coach yini into antshele yona before ngene grounding till the end.
Alright. Game namhlanje ilula, just beseleka ama decision via forward yabo. Into esipayisile ucoach into ebekayifuna ukuthi sibeke ibhola phansi singalahli because basilahla beza kithi kakhulu. Bafuna sibeke ibhola phansi convert ama chance.
So wena as a player mawudlala kuma tournament aso uhendlila kanjani I pressure like ukudlala and we prepare kanjani for ama game ana kanje?
If qala from ejimini yonke lento lena yabo. So ungabi ne pressure ngoba ibhola nawe uyalazi and uyazi ukuthi uzofacana nabantu abagood. So ukuthi uziprove nje bowudlala lapha yana enjoy ube happy kuphela.
So since Maponya udlala iDisk ubani iplayer okwadlala against ongasho ukuthi yilo i-toughest opponent and iliphi iplayer okwadlala nalo as a teammate ongasho ukuthi yilo iplayer okwadlala nalo eli best?
Toughest opponent eke ngadlala nayo umntana wami uKhila Mapoto. Then mina zonke lezama ama best ke. Abutsona zonke iziningi.
So utshela abantu abakubukele most abakwazi bangathanda ukwazi mongawe yabo. So sicela usitshele ukuthi ipi team oyifollowayo ku pro side eMzansi na overseas.
Ngapha iKaizer Chiefs then overseas iMan City neBarcelona.
Ubani iplayer olibona as a role model and why?
Umshishi ngoba ngidlala ne position yakhe inumber 10 so umuntu emele ngifunda izinto kuye.
So currently ku South African football ubani iplayer olibona ngathi yilo i-best right now?
Police.
So kubafana bafana national team iliphi iplayer ongathanda libe khona elingekho esquadini and iliphi iplayer ongalikhipha?
Uthemba Inkosi Lodge uye umuntu esimdingayo lapha esquadini. Then aboshabalala basakhula sizobanika ichance yabo uye ke umuntu engakhona kumkhipha for Lodge.
So kulama player lawa adlala overseas ne ku between uPetri, uBellingham, uVitina, start, bench and sell.
Petri, Vitina, then uBellingham sell.
uPetri noVitina ubani umthengisayo? Lo ubani uhlala ebenchini I mean.
Vitina.
Petro uyaqala why ngithanda uPetro kanje kunawo
Dale Sandoda sikhona ukudecide noma kanjani siyakhona ukurelax egamini sizinike isikhathi saso
so kuma player adlala eKasi iliphi play ulibona libetha kunamaponya ngoshukela
aya nginasho angazi ngifuna ukutshela ba
yakuvala lutho
yiyo inja yami ke noshukela omnandi
ayikabafethu maponya unjabulo ukhule phansi kwami jethu nami goalkeeper yabo so abafethu amona phansi bafethu
yini unjabulo
is a good player akho selfish uyaphasa amabhola and uyapromoter yabona ufile kazo Kaizer Chiefs mncane ntwana le star yangithola star ila inhlabathini ngiyanda le chance ku PSL nomgaye just one game ngizibona umhlolo into engishoyo wena presenter nani what unjabulo mnikeni nje le chance leyo unjabulo is gonna make it just one game ku PSL one game noma ku Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs or Sundowns whatever game yes sir whatever game
okay siyabonga Grootman
yeah sure
end of the day maponya for our viewers
basikolele ngokuthi sidliwe sizophinde silungise nathi bese ngafuna ukudliwa besifuna ukuyithatha le tournament but kuthi bene bad game yabo
Cela ubatshela ifinal score uthi match iphele kanjani
iphele nganini sadliwa ama penalty
Kenja miyabonga for isikhathi sakho ube grand
one game
bathi inja yoshukela nandaba uzozintroduce yena cela utshela abantu igama lakho lamampela nelela abakubiza ngalo ngesibongo sakho
hayi igama lami nguAmukhelanga Rakhibani mara obvious abantu bangazi ngothi abanye bathi Zombi yabo
okay manje Zombi overall performance yenu yanamhlanje ucabanga ukuthi hambe kanjani igame yenu
mhla sihlale eGrand and just nje ama chances besiwathola sihlala ngayo yabona like besingakhona ukuconvert masifike epalini yabo besishota maybe ngomuntu uzoscorera ngoba besifike epalini always besihlezi sepalini
so mawubhekile wena yini lebe shota or ubani lo mega shota rather ukuthi ni conceive ama goal ningafike kuma penalties
besishota maybe nginumber 10 like engeke iziye emaqaleni like ezohlezi imele ibhola lapha ngoba besidlala masithi yabheka ngaphandle maybe cut back besingatholi umuntu yabo
so mawubhekile I team yakho and now as an individual I lose le uyithathe kanjani ihleli kanjani kwena
ash lose le englimazile ngoba labantu behlala nabo like bangasa take the way thina besathekanga khona yabona just nje besekushot igoal kube scoreile kube maybe sisiyakula 8
so if like there are a few things or into 1 noma zi 3 noma zingaki obongazichinja ngegame yanamhlanje what would be those things
to ukuthi sichinje igame like maybe coach na like maybe saba ngazi maybe sabukwenza amasapu yabona ukuthi maybe mangakhipha utho abantu bazothini or bakhipha umaponya yabo into enjalo
sorry so wena mawuyibhekile igame yanamhlanje beyifair ama referee bewafair crowd beyifair because crowd nayo it can impact positively to ilose yabantu so wena mawubhekile like was it fair
abifair kakhulu like bimnandi yabona wonke umuntu beka enjoy akekho umuntu beka Russell referee uyithula ama team lawa like nabo labantu behlala nabo ba strong yabona zange like basilwise nathi zange igame phele kamnandi vele
okay let me not waste your time ne so what are a few words of encouragement you'd give to abafana abancane because you can see bancane abafana lana they looking up to you so what are the few words you'd give to them and what are the words you'd give to ama supporters wenu as abathini bona
into like ngizoyisho bafana abancane nabo basifavor like ibhola like ilifuna uthando yabo waba nothando ebholweni nalo lizokuthanda yabo nabo like mele baphusha ukuze bafike la sikhona ukuthi saziwa abantu yabo nangapha ama fans ngizothanda ukuqolisa kuwo ngale lose le yang obvious igame part of football angeke sihlale swini yangithola kumele sichintshisane
ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho we wish you nothing but the best kuma games wenu azayo and as a future yakho as an individual sharp
thank you
left right and center Ria winner we all about W's wins you know we have one of the winning teams good game ebekade ikudlala manje my brother please introduce yourself ebantwini batshela ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you play for
mina nguSikhosana Charles but abantu ababhaya bangibiza uShoes yeah i-team engidlalela Free State Vultures.
Okay, so shoes igame yakho yanamhlanje mawuyibhekile beyinjani wena, like overall performance yakho wena as an individual ne team yakho?
Kuqala ka overall team yeah. So first ra tseba hore batseni bona ba dlala jwang, because if you can check last we've played against them and then ra khona bona hore ba re beat local, and then coming to this game re bone first half hore vele ntse ba dlala the very same style se le go ba le ba dlala the time ne le gore ba repeat, so ra try o bifa ba mele gore ne re lose teng at the same time ra try o etsa ho bifa ba le ka le pele up until re dlala draw, and then re ya go bona ntho di penalty yana di penalty tsa bona since re ba shebella re etsa di video analyst since ba dlala di penalty bona ke ba tswele gore ba good, so that so re khona tla le chipanyane emnatenya ya tla khona le tshwara nda overall performance ya ka obvious today. First half I think nearly much better than second half. Second half really I think a little bit of fatigue nyana somewhere there, but ke something lo renka ilukisa coming to the next game.
Okay. So game ya ka jenu ne ifereleti ko di penalty ala kora first half, second half ala kora ne, so wena no unahana gore bothata ke eng ntwe elisa idirang etsa gore luna le ska kora first half le second ai ba fet speed sam
se right ja gona o kan yeah. Rona if go check the game from the first half ne bona ne batla honestly speaking, but ne batla o mengwe to center fell ba fella center rona compared to bona tsona ba sharp in final third tse baya if go thola wa sheka game, and then tsona ba ntse di attempt tse ngata of that tsabo. Yeah, so I think the keeper both side, the defender tsa the both teams today yeah ne di tseba hore di tlametse be di etse. Yeah, that is why if you go thola sheka game if it's mo ile re feletse teng no.
Okay, so yini into coach ayele wanitshela yona ukuthi this and that men ngayenza kungaba ne success on today's game and nayenza nani, and then nabona ukuthi okay no lento le coach asitshela ukuthi ayisebe athi siyenze it's not working, then let's try this.
First half obviously really got the same approach re ileng ka yona that time ne re dlala le bona, and then in second half a khona o lukisa re chaela o ga ba fela bona batho ba etsang ba overload ka ma side, so a re try o change hanyane fela re khona o bifa pa ma side a rona re khona ba strong, because I think if re ile the way same way ne re ile ka teng first half I think ka maybe ba re jile or something, so that is why re try o bifa pa more at the same time ntse re zama ho etsa jwang ho pusha check ya rona, because ka se hold fela ho bona morao re expect le go batla if re morao re batla mle tsona be le gore ba tla khona go le matla. Yeah,
okay, so ku PSL yipi team ongathanda ukuyidlalela and why?
I everyone or like na personally le re ke rat di Celtics, cause I don't know si chinchile sele siwele obviously na ke mtwa Free State and then balala football le re ke rat.
Okay, so any few words of encouragement to youth that are looking up to you, and what are the words you'd like to say to our supporters akho?
Kutaqala obvious ka di supporters hore ba rile ba team for as our 12th man yabo ba rile ba support the very same way ba support ka since from the start of the tournament, and then youth lo ntho nkazi bintu tse baya to bona lo re nka ba encourage ka yona gore ba push both academics le football, parce que ba rile ya ka ntho one at least ba push it to hona le possibility hore ba successfully ka A1 or omunga ka ba like be successful ka tsona di-2. Yeah.
Okay, no, congratulations Guwini yenu, and once again we wish you nothing but the best ku career yakho as a football player. Sangathi ungafika la ufuna ukufika khona.
Ngiyabonga ndesisa. Thank you.
Sharp. So much for tuning in until the end. Thank you so much for the endless support, guys. Please continue showing the love. Santanda nani niyazi. As for me, Ubuhle Bendalo, please do not forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, as well as Facebook at Speak and Frostan Diski Podcast. And follow me also at Ubuhle Bendalo 18 on TikTok, Buhle_Tracy on Instagram. Likewise, stay safe and stay blessed.
Yeah, bafethu yeah, what a day. So enye into engizoyicela kini ngicela ukuthi guys nisfollow and nisibukele. Today misiphethe ama player antswempu big players abanye babuya overseas abanye badumile kasi. So yeah, sicela uzibonele mfethu ubukele. And nathi la nje Smile asikhulumi kuphela. Lento le besidlala phela. Lento le besidlala. Lento besidlala.
Thank you so much guys for the endless support. Siyabonga for 13.something K likes on TikTok. Mwah, continue showing the love. Siyanthanda big time. Okay? Okay. Bye.